New at 10, the median price for a home in California is $635,000. That's according to Zillow. Cron4's Philippe Jagal stopped by a house in the East Bay and shows us what you might get if you put some money down on a home in Contra Costa County.
High on a hill, seated on a 5,000 square foot lot, a brisk walk up a sloped driveway and a series of stairs leads to a home in Martinez about 30 miles away from San Francisco, hitting the market at $725,000.
You can go to Tahoe, you can go to the South Bay, so it's a very convenient location. You know, that's why so many people want to live here.
RE/MAX Gold realtor David Brookman says the offers started pouring in just hours after the home was listed. A loft-style living space with a custom kitchen, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a garage spread across 3 levels, attracting interest from a variety of people looking for the right fit.
Families and some couples, so there is obviously a lot of interest. Real estate is a very tight market right now.
This home was built in 1990, so it's 31 years old, but with the upgrades, it feels and looks brand new.
A house like this with a standard down payment of anywhere from 5 to 10%, depending on your interest rate, about $4,000 a month.
Certainly not cheap, but a bargain if you see the glass as half full. Martinez-based broker Mark Ross with Ross Company Realtors says housing inventory is down throughout the Bay Area, making for a competitive market for buyers. Ross says over the next year, he expects prices will only go up.
Bay Area-wide, it could go up another 5 to 8%.
Get your finances in order, find a good broker and realtor, and be aggressive when you find what you would be happy calling your next home. In Martinez, Philippe Jagal, Cron 4 News.